Hi guys, it's Gidra. Well, it's a Saturday morning here and it's so beautiful. It's just asking me to make this banana bread for breakfast with my cup of coffee. It's another gluten-free recipe. I'm using almond flour instead of regular flour for that. But you can use gluten-free flour if you wish, if you're allergic to nuts. Again, I'm gonna emphasize, do not use anything what you're allergic for, right? It's not worth it. And I started here a little bit. What we are going to need is 2 eggs. We'll crack 2 eggs. Right? And then, ooh, look at that. Technical difficulties right away. An eggshell in there. That usually when I'm not recording this, it doesn't happen, but it has to happen now, of course. I don't think I'll do that. Okay, 2 eggs. I'm gonna use coconut oil for this. 1 cup of coconut oil, and I warmed it up because usually it comes in this, hard shape. I microwaved it just for the time's sake. I usually don't. You can do it on a stove in 2 pots with 1 pot full of water. It takes time. I'm here on a time strain, so I'm not doing it. I want this quick. It's gonna take actually 55 minutes to bake. Let me just warm up the oven for that matter, so because we'll get through this. And the oven goes on 350. Okay, so we do 350. 1 cup of sugar. So 2 cups of sugar. 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar, whisk, and 3 ripe bananas. I have them smushed already. I use the mashed potato, I call it smasher. Hopefully it's the right word. If not, forgive me. Use something, you can use the fork as well, or just put this directly in here and whisk it all together. Okay, so now we'll need, I believe when I use it, I do equivalent of the flour that I use, regular flour. We need 1 cup and 1/4. If it's gonna be more, it's not gonna be a big difference. A little bit more. All right, then we'll add some baking soda. Here, 1/4. Okay, a little bit more. I'm not that precise. I'm not sure how you are. Some cinnamon, right? And I will just mix it up together. If you want to add baking powder, you can. I usually don't. I just use that. We'll get a pinch of salt in there as well. That's it, not too much. All right. Yes, oven is warming up, and this is all nicely mixed, right? Here we go. Ta-da! Not a lot of cleanup. Again, mix everything together. Nice. Looking good. Actually, this whisk is working, helping my muscles to stay strong too. So dual purpose. Okay, let's put some stuff back. not in a way in the meanwhile. Okay, good, good, good. I added some coconut oil in my pan, which got a little bit dried up. I'll add more. Oh, what else I was gonna add? Let's try hemp seeds. Have not tried that before. Why not? They go with everything. Kind of half a cup. If you don't want to, don't need to. I'm just trying this. I don't know. Today I feel like I want to try new things. Go adventurous here. Go crazy. Crazier. All right. Done. We'll add some dried cranberries. Maybe I would say half a cup, something like that. Again, you know, I'm making them so often because bananas go like ripe so quick, right? Smoothies, gluten-free cookies, and then banana nut bread. Why not? Everything is healthy. I'm obsessed with dark chocolate, so it goes into almost all my sweets. Here again, as much as you want. Don't need to put any if you don't. No, you can just go very, very plain and basic. Nothing wrong with that. Rather stay safe, right? Okay. And then walnuts. I just break them. I like doing a lot of things just with my hands. There we go. You see how fast everything is going? My oven is not even warmed up yet, and I'm almost done. Almost done. So I use almond flour, not that I'm gluten intolerant, but because it makes the texture so much different. It tastes like cake to me. Again, it's my opinion, very subjective. But that texture is just so moist, so good. It's different, actually. You'll see. Let's see. I like a little bit of the lemon juice. Done. I think lemon goes everywhere. Can't go wrong with lemon. Okay. So our batter is done. I hope I'm using right words. Ta-da, ta-da. Quick, quick, quick. Chop, chop, chop. All right. We'll get some more oil to get it on the pan. It's not gonna rise. I'm not sure. I've made them so many times. Leftovers where you could be the cream for your face, your hair, anything. All right. So my towel. Okay. Look at that. Yes, the oven is not ready yet, but that's not a big deal. We can put this batter in. Not too messy, nothing. 2 eggs, half a cup of coconut oil, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup and 1/4 of the flour, and it could be regular flour, gluten-free flour, or almond flour for this matter. That's what I'm using. Dried cranberries, chocolate chips. Today I went with hemp seeds. I'll let you know, right? Once it's out, we'll see. Oven, ready or not, here I come. I'm gonna put it in. Oh, it's hot. Hot for me. Okay, timer, 55 minutes. Start. Okie doke. I'm gonna clean up and I'll get back to you when it's ready, once it's beeping. Hi guys. Well, you can hear the timer. It's going off. Let's see. Off, off, timer off, oven off. Oh my my. Oh my my. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Voila. Not bad. I usually put it on a cutting board, right? So I don't put it directly on a countertop. Kind of want the wood to protect from the hot pan. And I use the metal pan for this matter. All right, we'll let it sit, cool off, maybe about 5 minutes or so, and then we'll take it out and gonna have a tasting. We'll see how that goes. Bear with me. Okay, moment of truth. 5 minutes have passed. So let's see. I'm doing this, guys, with you together. So if there was a surprise, it's a surprise for me as well. Maybe I should have checked the. It's good, right? Learning from my mistakes. I think I'll need the. Okay. Yeah, always do something to protect your hands. Let's see. It's not gonna. Oh, it did. Oh my goodness. So the bottom stayed. Oh, maybe I took it out too soon. Look at that. Okay, well, I have to. Told you. Surprise. I'll do that. Oh yeah, no, it's all the. No, I told you it's gonna be cake. It's cake. It's not bread. It's bread pudding. Ha! Solutions, no problems, only solutions. It is the bread pudding. Why don't I put it on my plate? And you can serve it as a bread pudding. You know, no Julia styles here. God, I'm just trying to make something that I know is very healthy and delicious and nutritious. So we'll see. Okay, so this one doesn't have a look at all, right? Bottoms up. But the taste what matters. And I had to make my tea. I actually decided to go for a cup of tea versus a cup of coffee. I had a few before I decided to make this banana bread pudding, banana nut bread pudding. Told you it's gonna be moist. Well, it is indeed. Okay. I'm trying. Should cool off a little bit more. But I'm so hungry. It's perfect. I don't know how to serve it. To me, oh my god, it was a chocolate chip. Wow. Well, maybe it should have cooled off a little bit longer. Everything is just fine. The taste is the way it should be. It's just, it's very moist. I don't know. If someone can make it, anybody can make it better, I'm sure. I tried, I shared, and it's good. It's really good. It doesn't look good. You know, maybe leave it in a pan longer, completely cool off completely. I'm on a time strain here a little bit, but I'm telling you, I promise you, yes, it looks ridiculous. I mean, it looks like crap. But it tastes really good. Oh my god. It is moist. It is moist, not dry. I love it. Well, it has everything I wanted, right? So, healthy. It's healthy. It's breakfast. Eat. Enjoy. Oh my god. Okay. All right, guys. I'll finish it. It's really good. So create, cook, paint, remodel, do whatever you want. Be happy, share. If you like, click like. Not sure about this one. I like it. And have a good day.